Welcome dear students to another class of IP. We will continue the previous video with this. In the previous video we were talking about list methods. So we have seen the methods LAN, and after that we have seen list method, and then append, extend, insert and count method. So total we have covered 6 methods, and now next method is find method. Okay, so this find method, for finding particular value at particular index, it will just return the index value. Okay, returns index of first occurrence of the method in the list. If the element is not present, value error is generated. Now you can see here in this example we have not used any find method. The reason is that find method will work with strings only. Okay, so for finding a particular index of the element, we can give the value here, the element value, and then we will fetch the index with this index method. So that is an index method. Okay, in list we are using index method, and if, in case of a string we can use find method. Okay, find and index will work the same manner, but index will return a value error if that particular thing is not present in the list. So I can demonstrate you that thing within a practical thing. So see here, I have created a list L1. So this is my list. Okay, so if I am applying this list, a find method li dot find 10, it is just showing me the error, that is attribute error. This list object has no attribute find. That means this find method will not work with the list. Okay, if you want to fetch the particular value, then we can use the index method. Okay, so you can write L1 dot index, and then in bracket you can just put the element. So if I want to find the index of 10, I can write like this, and then it will just return me the 0th index. And similarly, if I want to find the index value of the element 2, I can write like this. Okay, so it is just showing me one value. So like this you can fetch the element at particular index. Okay, so this find method is used with strings, that you have to remember, it is not given in book. Okay, so for list we can use index method. So here it is written index. In place of this you can also write index. Okay, index method we are accessing with dot. Clear? Okay, so see here 90 it is written, and if that is not present, then it will give you value error. Okay, 90 is not in the list. Now next method we are having is remove. Remove methods just remove the element from the list, and if the element is present multiple times, then only the first occurrence is removed. That means the element whenever it is appearing first time, that will be removed, and if element is not present, it will give you value error. See here, this is list 1. So in this list 1 we are having these elements, and if you want to remove the particular element 30, then you can write directly list 1 dot remove, and then in bracket you can write the element, and then that particular element will be removed from your list. Now see here, we are removing 90, as 90 is not present in this list, so it is just giving you the error, that is value error. List 1 dot remove x not in list. Okay, so that means this type of error will pop up if we are trying to remove element that is not present. Okay, next method we are having is pop method. Pop means taking out some element, and push means we are adding some element. Okay, so see here, I will tell you the difference also. So this pop method, it just returns the element whose index is passed in argument to this function, and also removes it from the list. If no argument is given, that means no value is given, then it returns and removes the last element of the list. That means the element that is inserted at the end. Okay, so see here we are having these elements. So this is third, so this is 1 2 3, so it will just pop this 40, 0, indexing will start from 0, so it will just pop the 40th element. So see here, list 1 dot pop 3, it will just take out this element, and after that if you are writing this list 1, then you will see that that element is not present in the particular list. So pop will just take that element and then remove it from the list. Clear? See here another example. If we are not writing any argument in the pop, then it will remove this element, and taking out this element as a result, and then it will remove that element from the list. So difference between remove and pop is that pop will just fetch that particular element and then remove it, but remove method, it just simply remove that index and it will not just give you that particular value. Clear? Next is reverse method. Reverse the order of elements in the given list. So if you that means if you have given the last element, it will become a first element. Okay, so just reverse the pattern of the list. So see here examples are given. We are having a list 1 that is having elements 34, 66, 12, 89, 28, 99, and if we are writing list 1 dot reverse, then it just reverse the sequence. So the elements occurrence will be 99, 28, 89, 12, 66, 34. Okay, you can check it on ideally also. Next we are having another list, that is list 1. Okay, in this list 1 we are having values tiger. These are the alphabetical values, or you can say that is strings. Okay, tiger, zebra, lion, cat, elephant, dog. And if you are writing list 1 dot reverse, then it will just reverse the string with dog, elephant, cat, lion, zebra and tiger. Okay, so this is the way it just reverse the string. Okay, next method is sort method. Sort method is used to sort the elements of the given list in place. That means it just arrange the elements there itself. Okay, or that particular on that particular place only. So we are having a list 1 that is the same having the name of animals. Okay, so see here if we are writing in list 1 dot sort, it will sort the list alphabetically from A to Z fashion. Okay, that is chronological order. So cat, dog, elephant, lion, tiger and zebra. In this way it will just arrange. And similarly it will list if we are having numbers list, then it will be also sorted with this sort method. Okay, so see this 34, 66, 12, 89, 28, 90, and if I am writing sort and then we are writing reverse, so reverse means reverse is equals to true, means it is just sorting this list in decreasing order. Okay, so see 99, 89, 66, 34, 28, 12. Okay, increasing to decreasing order it is just showing. Ascending descending you can apply. Okay, so this is about sort method. Another method we are having, that is sorted. Okay, sorted means it takes a list as a parameter and creates a new list consisting of the same elements but in an arranged manner. That means if you want to check the previous list and with the sorted list, in that case you can use it. Okay, so see in list 2 we are providing sorted list 1, so it will just create a new list, that is sorted list, that is having elements passed as a list 1. So in this way you will get this list sorted. Okay, next min method. Min method returns the minimum or smaller value element. So minimum element it will fetch and it will display you that. Another method is max. It will return the maximum or largest number from the list and return you and give you that as a output. And similarly we are having an inbuilt method sum. So sum will return the addition of this. This is an inbuilt method. So in one program earlier we have got an error. So that error was because it is an inbuilt function. Okay, you have to remember these things, or you have to do this as a practical. Okay, so just try and use all these built-in methods like this. Okay, this is all about today's class. Thank you students. We will continue this unit in the next class.